Al.
Al. So if I add Al, that is what? Methanol. Al. Please remember, aldehyde is always is methanol. And general formula, note it again same. CnH2n plus 1. What is Kirtiraja? What are you trying to do? Erase it. CnH2n plus 1 CHO. So remember, CHO is belongs to okay, aldehydes. That is very, very important. Now, that's why I'm saying here, if I want to get methanol, N is equals to 1, N is equals to 0, general formula, if it is true means. Anybody can tell?
N is equal to 0.
N
N
is
is
equals
equals
to
to
0.
0.
Okay, guys, that is very, very important. Okay. So next onwards, same. Next, N is equals to 1 kadayad. Directly N is equals to what? Yes, please. Yes, anybody? So N is equals to 2 kadayad. Just one step down, Amma. From everything carbon here, one step down. Before we are doing N is equals to 2 karad. But now it will become N is equals to 1. So you can see now, if I substitute N is equals to 1, general formula, what will happen, everybody? C1 H2 into 1 plus 1, okay, plus CHO. So over. So what is there? CH2 plus 1 is 3. So CH3 CHO. Am I right, guys? Am I right or wrong? Hari? Do you understand it?
Yes.
Yeah. So just that is what. So for aldehydes alone, N is equals to starting 0, N is equals to 1, it will start from where? N is equals to, yes, please, 0. Okay, ma? So please remember that. So now what will happen? Structure. Anybody can tell? CH3, CHO. Over. Already you can say directly. So CH3, single bond C, double bond O, single bond H, COH. COH or CHO, whatever it is. Both are RAM. Or I can write CH3, single bond C, single bond H, double bond O. Both are same only. So what is the name of this? Anybody can tell me? Ethane. I am striking the E and I am replacing with the what? Everybody. Yes. So it is ethanol. This is IUPAC name. IUPAC name. What is the common name? Common name is the most important name. Note it. Extremely important common name is this only. So that is what is actually formaldehyde. What is the name, everybody? This one I can write it as a HCHO structure also. Note it, everyone. This one I can write HCHO. That is what. So what is the common name, everybody? Formaldehyde. Most important common name. Now you have to remember what is the importance of that. Okay. So formaldehyde is the common name of methanol. Next here, common name of ethanol is acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde. Note it, everybody. Next, third one. What is the third structure, anybody? N is equals to 1 or N is equals to 2? N is equals to 2. But you should consider total number of carbons. Are you clear, Amma? Please don't get confused. I am teaching very clearly. So N is equals to C2, 2 into 2 plus 1, CHO. So this carbon also you should consider while naming. Okay, please write it there sentence. While aldehydes alone, while we are naming it, we should consider all the carbons. But what is the functional group here, everybody? What is the functional group? Everyone. CHO. Clear? That is also we have to consider it. So don't get confused at all. So it's very common. So next, what will happen? C2H4 plus 1, 5 CHO. That's all, guys. So can you tell me the structure? I will draw it, you see. So totally 3 carbons are there. So 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 3 carbon. Last carbon alone, you should what? Add double bond O, CHO. So double bond O, single bond H. This is only call it as a, what is the functional group we used to call? Everyone. aldehyde. Okay.
Aldehyde.
And remaining hydrogens, you can balance it. That's all. 3 hydrogens, and here 2 bonds are over, 2 hydrogens will come. Over, guys. So condensed formula, what will come? CH3 single bond, CH2 single bond, CHO. So this is the condensed formula. Condensed formula of what now? N is equals to become 2. Means it is a what, all of you? Propane. E cancel, will add Al. So what is the answer, everybody? Propanol. Propanol. Clear? Yes, please. All of you. So common name. So common name of propanol. Anybody can tell? All of you. Propanaldehyde. Write it. Propanaldehyde. So for all the aldehyde group, what will added? Common name, everybody? Simply you can identify. What is the common name we can add? Everyone? Propanaldehyde. That's all. Okay. So like that, N is equals to 3, N is equals to 4. What is the formula? Expected formula. Anybody can tell? 1 CH2 will increase, guys. Where A from here to here, 1 CH2 will increase. What is that? Anyone? CH3, CH2, CH2, CHO. Over. So what is the name? Anybody? Please focus on the class. So butane, if you remove the E and add Al, what is the answer? Anybody? Butanol. Understand? Next, one more CH3 will increase. CH3, CH2, 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 CHO. Please remember here you are writing N is equals to 3 according to the general formula of aldehydes. But here naming time you are considering total number of carbons. How many carbons we have? Total carbons. Respond. Total carbons how many? 4. So that is why I am taking as a butane. Very simple. One simple logic I will say you. All of you remember. If you want to get the aldehydes, what is this name? Note this one, everybody. If you want to get aldehyde, if you need to get aldehyde, okay, remove 2 hydrogen atoms. 2 hydrogen atoms from alkanes. And add how many oxygens? Anyone? Add how many oxygens? 1 oxygen atom. Adidamma. More than this, none can simplify aldehydes. That is what I can say. Whatever it is. So draw the structure. Methane. So methane structure is this is what. So wind up the 2 hydrogens and 1 oxygen required how many? 1 oxygen required how many, guys? 2 bonds. So the double bond, that's all it is. So this is methanol. Methanol. Who is the talking? Focus here, please. Mr. Swadan, concentrate. So next one is what? We all knows that. Methane over. Next, what will happen, Ra? Respond, everybody. Methane after, what will happen? Ethane. So now again same. 2 hydrogen you wind up. 2 hydrogen you remove and you put a double bond over. Don't worry about anything. Just for the last carbon, remove 2 hydrogens and add how much, everyone? 1 oxygen. That's all it is. It will turn up into what? Ethanol. Understanding? So next, ethane turn up into ethanol. Next, 3 carbons. Next, 4 carbons. Okay. Next, 5 carbons. Doesn't matter. Always same. Remove the 2 hydrogens and put at what, guys? Remove 2 hydrogens and put what? All of you. 1 oxygen. Remove 2 hydrogens and add 1 oxygen. Remaining same. CH2, CH3. Here CH3, CH2, CH2. That's all. Here also. CH3, CH2, 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 C11O. Everything is same. So what is the 3 carbons are there? What we used to call? Propane. So now it will be turned up into what? All of you. Propanol. 4 carbons are there, butane. It will be turned up into what? Butanol. 5 carbons is there, it is called as a pentane. Now it will be turned up into what? Pentanol. AL. Over, guys. Very simple. So aldehydes means what? Instead of removing one hydrogen, we have to remove how many hydrogens? All of you. We have to remove two hydrogens, and you need to add how many oxygens? Everyone.
One.
That's all. Where confusion venda. It's very simple concept. Just have a glance in this. Anybody having any doubt, you can ask me. Pugal, understand? Mr. Guru, Vardhan, any doubt, Vardhan? You can ask me. Clear, all of you? Aswin, Aswin Gokul?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, do it. Complete it. Hasini, understand, Hasini? Very important one. This is.
Yes.
Any doubt, you can make it clear. Mitakshri, Abhirami, okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Mr. Abhishek, understand? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next important functional group. As I said, that is the most important one. So let us see now. What is Aishwarya having doubt? Yes, Aishwarya. So now Aishwarya is asking that, sorry, n is equals to 3. Sorry, this is, I think my guess is 2. This is, am I right, Aishwarya? So this one you are saying, so CH3, CH2, CH2, CHO. You can write like this. You all can see, all of you. C3 lemma, C4. Yeah, you can. They will ask you in exam this one. This C3H1 to 3 plus 2, 5 plus 2, 7 CHO. This is also called same butanol. Note it. Formula they can give an exam like this also. Just remaining all they are adding. Only functional group alone they are putting separately. So by seeing CHO itself, you will understand that it is a what actually? Everybody, aldehydes. That is what is your mind should say. That is what my expectation also. I hope you all are able to do it. Let me see how many of you are able to understand. Clear, everybody? Yes, please. So then, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, do it. Please. That's fine. Who is that? Mutra. Next. Anything doubt, guys? All of you aldehydes understood or not? Respond. So now one more thing. Don't get confused. Aldehyde CHO, two ways of representation. One is C double bond O single bond H or C single bond H double bond O. Rendu the same. Sir, book inga pons are double bond. I am putting here, sir. Is it right, sir? Don't worry about anything. Your only point which you need to remember. What is the point you have to remember, guys? All of you? What is the point you have to remember? Carbon satisfying how many bonds? Carbon satisfying 4 bonds. Hydrogen satisfying how many bonds? 1 bond. Clear? Other than this, never bother about anything. And oxygen, how many bonds? Oxygen, how many bonds? Everybody? 2 bonds. Okay. So please only worry about this. Other than this, nothing to worry. Everything is there. Just remember oxygen need to satisfy valencies alone. That's all, everybody. Okay. So this is what is about aldehydes. And the next one is the most important one. That is what we used to call it as a ketone. So okay, before going to ketone, can you draw aldehyde containing 6 atoms? Anybody? 6 carbons. Aldehyde contains 6 carbons. Contains 6 carbons. 6 carbons. Make it fast, everybody. I will draw. You can 6 means by this time you may know the name. What is that, anybody? Hexane. Am I right? Hexane. We have to remove the E and we have to add it to what? Everybody. Hexanol. Understanding? So that's all it is. So what will happen? C single bond C, single bond C, single bond C, single bond C. Totally how many carbons? 6 carbons. And last carbon, you have to add it what? Everybody. Last carbon, you have to add it what? C double bond O, single bond H. Remaining, you balance it. How many hydrogens? First carbon. How many hydrogens? First carbon. 3. Second carbon. Second carbon. 2. Third carbon. 2. Fourth carbon. 2. Fifth carbon. 2. So condensed formula, tell me. Condensed formula. CH3 single bond. CH2 single bond. CH2 single bond. CH2 single bond. CH2 single bond. CHO. Okay, va? Ellame understood, amma? That's all. Nothing is there to worry. Just I must have a confidence that whatever I am doing, I want to do it. So please note it. Always it is very, very important. Number of parental hydrocarbon, parental chain you see. How many, irrespective of functional group, parental hydrocarbon, how many carbons are there? 6. So it is hexanol. 5 pentanol. 4 butanol. 3 propanol. 2 ethanol. 1 methanol. So methanol, formaldehyde, ethanol, acetaldehyde, propanol, propanaldehyde. Up to that, at least you learn. After that, it is not at all even required. I hope you all understand. Any doubt, anybody can ask me. Clear, guys? Yes, please. All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is what is about aldehydes. Next, I already told you ketone, you have to be extra careful. So what is extra careful? Ketones. What is the functional group of ketone? Anybody can tell? What is the functional group of ketone? Bond CO bond. This is the most important thing. Bond CO bond. Understanding? So what is the bond CO bonds? Means carbon, the double bond O should present between. Double bond O present between what? Alkyl group and alkyl group. Can you tell me what is the general representation now? Alkyl group represented with R, alkyl group represented with R. So R, single bond, double bond O, C double bond O, single bond R. You can put double bond O down also. Nothing wrong, sir. Inga ponu, anga ponu, ellame same da. So this is what is the general representation of ketone. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me, or else we'll proceed further. Is it okay, everybody? All of you? Yes? Now, sir, is this alkyl group every time same? That is what I'm asking. Is this alkyl groups are every time same? Yes, please. Maybe both are methyl groups, or one methyl, one propyl. Another one is methyl propyl. Another one. Do you understand what I'm saying, Mitakshri? So this alkyl groups is very important.
Yes, sir.
Alkyl groups are same alkyl group or different alkyl group. Doesn't matter. Different alkyl group. No problem at all. It must be double bond O must be present at what? Everybody. Must be present at between two alkyl groups. Either the same alkyl or different alkyl group, doesn't matter. Okay, guys? Everybody? Yes, please. So that is why same alkyl group means I can represent with R dash R. If it is a different alkyl group, represent R, C double bond O, single bond R dash. R dash means what? R is the one functional group, alkyl group. R dash is the another alkyl group. Okay, wa? Understand, Ra? Harish? So R is the one functional group. R dash is the another functional group. So alkyl group, different alkyl group. Please note it. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask. Very, very important. Next, general formula. This general formula is a little complicated. So please remember CnH2n plus 1, CnH2n plus 1 and double bond O is present. So CO and again you see all of you. This CnH2n plus 1 will give you one alkyl group. What it will give you, everybody? Respond, one alkyl group. Now, Again, after that also there is alkyl group. Am I right, Hari? Understand, Ra? Please respond. Everybody, before one alkyl group. So this alkyl group is represented by this formula, CnH2n plus 1. After that, again alkyl group is there. So again you have to write it, again the same formula. That is what? CnH2n plus 1. But now I am taking N is N dash. Y means N dash and N may be same, or what? Or what, everybody? Different. Okay, so that is the general formula. So that's why I said it is not confusing, just it is little tough. That's enough. N dash and N may be the same or different number. So N and N dash is equals to what? N and N dash, which is equals to varies 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So nothing, everyone. Very simple. General formula is behind what? Between CO. CO is the middle, before one alkyl group, after that another alkyl group. That's all, everybody. Clear or not? Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, wow. Yes, please. All of you.
Sir.
Yes. And what is the functional group? Anyone? What is the functional group? C double bond O, bond and bond. Or C O bond. Or C double bond O, 2 bonds. Everything is same. Don't get confused. All are same only. General formula, yaruk doubt irukka, you can ask me. I will explain. Otherwise, we will stop it here and we'll continue from here in the next. But you keep it in mind, ketone is the extremely important one for the board exam, because people will make common error in the ketone. Ketone must be present. What is ketone? Double bond O, C double bond O must be present between, always must be present between, everybody, 2 alkyl group, either same alkyl group or what else? Different alkyl group. Okay, everyone. And the last one is, what is the suffix? What is the suffix for ketones? 1. Okay. OL for alcohol, AL for aldehyde, alcohol, and now is ketone. So ketones are extremely important. ONE1. So alkane in striking, and I am adding 1. So it will be turned up into alkanen. This is the formula. So then we will write it, everything, the compounds and all, we'll write it in the next class. I hope you all till here. Anybody having any doubt, ask me. I hope you understand. Only 2 is remaining. One is ketone and the next one is carboxylic acid. Adu rendu mudinjicha, vere prachane illa. Remaining all are same. So you don't need to worry about it. So everything is general formula. Then directly we'll go with the chemical properties. Have you understand, guys? Everybody? Are you clear or not? Anyone having any doubt? You can ask me. Okay, everybody? Yes, please. I want response.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So very slowly I am teaching, because you all need to understand the importance of these concepts. Very, very important. None of you should make even rewriting in exam. I never even prefer to just bond is adjusting, structure is adjusting, striking and writing. That much efficiently how to make it. That is what is my expectation in this. That is the only reason this much slowly, neatly, clearly teaching. Just not that namesake we are proceeding. Very, very perfectly how to perform in the exam. Okay, guys, everyone. So anybody having any doubt, you can ask me, or else you can leave from the meeting. Thank you, everybody. We'll meet in the next class.